Welcome back to the channel. If you're driving with Uber and your insurance is up for renewal, keeping it updated in the app is essential for staying active and avoiding account interruptions. In the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to update your vehicle insurance in the Uber driver app step by step. Stick around. It's easier than you think, and I'll make sure you don't miss anything. Start by opening the Uber driver app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top left corner. You'll see three horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Go ahead and tap that. A side menu will slide open. From here, look for the option labeled Account and tap on it. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your documents and profile details. Within the account section, you'll see an option called Insurance. Tap on Insurance, and this is where you'll be able to update your vehicle insurance. Now, the app will prompt you to upload a photo of your insurance. Tap on Take Photo. At this point, you'll be given a few choices depending on what works best for you. You can take a new photo with your camera, choose an existing photo from your gallery, or upload a file if you already have it saved. Just select the option that fits your situation. Make sure the photo is clear, the policy dates are visible, and the information matches the vehicle on your account. Once the image is uploaded, the app will process it. In most cases, Uber reviews it quickly, and you're good to go once it's approved. And that's it. Your vehicle insurance is updated in the Uber driver app. Keeping these documents current helps you stay on the road without any interruptions. If you are new to Uber and haven't created a driver account yet, check the description. We've added a referral link you can use to sign up, along with links to other gig platforms in case you're looking to earn extra income. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss future how-tos and tips for gig workers. I'll see you in the next one.